Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to day 4 of my 10k giveaway celebration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, so let's get right into this video. Melody Susie sent me their 24 plus 3 ice ballerina gel polish kit to try out. So when we open the kit, the first thing I see is this pretty ring. Then there are the 24 gel polishes, and then we have a matte top coat, shiny top coat, and a base coat. These are 5 ml bottles, so they are small, but I don't use gel polishes that much to use them out. I think this is enough. So I'll be swatching the gel polishes for y'all to see how pretty they are. Most of them only required 1 coat on the swatch stick. However, there were some gel polishes that needed 2 and 3 coats, especially the glitters. Regardless of that, all of the gel polishes were really pretty. Melody Susie also gave me a discount code so that y'all can get 12% off. The discount code is cheraelsymone and it will be listed below with the link. I also posted on my community post that they have a huge anniversary sale going on now until the 31st of August, I believe. So use my code to get 12% off your orders as well. So I'll let you guys watch me swatch and I'll be back shortly. These are all of the colors. I was trying to get them all in one frame. They are so pretty. I lowered the lighting so y'all can get a better idea of how they look. So these are the gel polishes I will be using today. I will be doing press-on nails today, and this is a Kylie Jenner birthday inspired nail set. I saw her nail tech did this on her for her birthday last week and I had to try it. I had to recreate it. So I've already buffed the nails, then I applied my Melody Susie base coat. Someone told me I should do this so that the nails would be stronger, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm using the light pink gel polish and I applied it to the nail tips and cured for 30 seconds. I did 2 layers of that, but I only showed 1 layer. Now, using the dark pink gel polish, I'm going to be doing French nails. So I'm just marking it out to my natural nails to ensure I don't make the smile line too low. I'll only be showing one nail because this took way too long than I'd like to admit. I did 2 coats on each nail and cured in the lamp for 30 seconds each. So these are all of the nails completed with a smile line. This was tedious work. And then I'm using the other colors to create the swirl for the yin and yang nail. So when I was completed with each, I cured for 30 seconds. Some of them I had to apply 2 layers and some 1 layer. When using the gel polishes from the bottle, ensure to remove as much of the gel polish from the brush because if it's too thick, it wouldn't cure correctly and then create bubbles on the nail. Then I placed 2 dots on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Today MELODYSUSIE will be sponsoring this video and they will be giving away a 24+3 Ice Ballerina gel polish kit just like this one. I'm so grateful to MELODYSUSIE for sponsoring this gel polish kit. Thank you and good luck to whoever wins. Unfortunately, this giveaway is only for US citizens. The rules of the giveaway are as followed. Like the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment along with your Instagram handle so that I can reach you. This giveaway will run for 3 days before a winner is chosen. So this giveaway will end on Sunday the 22nd at 12 noon Eastern time, or maybe Monday the 23rd at 12 noon. It depends on how I feel, so make sure you have entered the giveaway quickly because I'm going with my mood. I will announce the winner on the evening of Sunday or Monday on my community post, so be sure to watch all of my videos as soon as it is released so you can enter the giveaways. There will be a few more, I think maybe 3 more or 2, yeah, not sure. Anyway, so make sure you turn on your post notification. So I was going to use the yellow gel polish that I used to create the French smile line, but I chose a darker yellow to do the yin and yang nail. The more of the nail art I did, the easier it was for me to do those swirl nails. This was a really cool nail set, I really liked it. Then I applied my MELODYSUSIE top coat to the nails and cured for 30 seconds. So these are my press-on nails, guys. What do you think? So I was not going to show this part, but I thought, why not? Someone may ask me about it, so it's best I put it in the video, and whoever want to watch this part will watch. So let me know who has reached this far in the video. Comment the word quesadilla. Yeah, I'm hungry right now, so let me know. Anyway, I purchased these nail adhesive on Amazon. for easier removal. I only left these nails on for a day. And by the way, I have an Amazon storefront with all of my nail faves. I hope you guys will check it out and let me know what you think and follow it and all those sorts of stuff. I don't really know much about it, but it was easier for me to have an Amazon storefront, so you all will see all the stuff I purchased. So anyway, I'm just going to apply them all to my nails, and application is super easy. You just need to apply pressure to the sticky tabs for 15 seconds on each nail. Then you peel off the tape and apply the press on and apply pressure for 5 seconds. So this is it guys, I applied my cuticle oil and that's it. So this set was really fun and tedious. I love it, it's so cool. Let me know your thoughts and good luck to the winner of the giveaway. Use my code to get 12% off on MELODYSUSIE's website. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!